You're getting something that could only exist live with you there. And for me, that's the best reason you could possibly have to be coming back to the theatre now. Oh my God, yes. If anything, for me personally, I've been at NTW for 18 months, so almost my entire time has been in lockdown with liveness removed, and the chance to be able to go out with the show on tour now, to start meeting audiences in their spaces, to start being part of that conversation of like, how do people experience work, how do they understand it, what are their appetites, what are they hungry for? It's the thing I've been starving for over the last 18 months. So yeah, I can't wait not only to see the show, but to see the show in multiple different spaces, and to begin for me that next journey of going, who are the audiences in Wales? What are the conversations that they want to be having with their theatre?